Hello everyone, my name is Melanie from Group 5 in ICT Class A of the English Education Study Program at Palangkaraya University. And today I will give you a tutorial and information about one of the best applications to improve your reading skill, which is Bilingo app. Before we go into the tutorial, you must first know what the Bilingo app application is. So, Bilingo app is an application that contains various kinds of text presented in a dual text or bilingual format, where the user can read the text in their native language and the language that they want to learn at the same time. Interesting, right? Now, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, first of all, you have to get the application first, of course. So, Bilingo app is only a mobile application, so it cannot be downloaded on a laptop or PC. So, you have to download it on your smartphone. To download Bilingo app, you need to open an application such as the Play Store or something similar like that, and then type Bilingo app in the search bar. You have to make sure that you look for an application with a picture of a bee. And then press install. So, after Bilingo app is installed, open the application by press the open here. So first, you are asked to choose your native language and the language that you want to learn. For example, I choose Indonesian as my native language and the language that I want to learn is English. However, you don't have to choose English as I did. You can choose any language that you want because there are so many language options available. This large number of options is one of the advantages of Bilingo app, because with the many language options selected by Bilingo app, users can have access to a wide range of languages, so they don't just have to learn the same language over and over again. After that, you just select Next.
Bilingo app will be your best help to learn English. Read and listen to stories, news, articles, or even songs.
And then Next again.
Practice words using your glossary.
And then Next again. Okay, in this section, you have to choose at least one topic that is interesting to you. For example, I choose 3 in here. So if you want more, that's not a problem. After selecting the topics, press Next again. Bilingo app provides level options based on the CEFR, or Common European Framework of Reference for Languages, like this. This is quite good because users can adjust it to their own abilities. I choose Intermediate 2 here. Okay, next. And here you are required to choose your reading goal for each week. This is good for increasing users' reading motivation. Then select Next. And now you have to fill in your age. Okay, now you can start the lesson by pressing Start Learning. Okay, well, this is an inside view of Bilingo app. You can start with Start Journey to improve your reading skills regularly, but this feature is only for premium users, so it's not free. You can also improve your writing skills by pressing this icon to add your own story. But unfortunately, this feature is also specifically for premium users. To access free stories, you have to choose library. Then you can select whatever text you want to read. You can also filter it by pressing this icon. And you can see your goals here, so you can track how much you read that day. And for free stories, you have to make sure there is a free label on it. After selecting the story, it will look like this. So, Bilingo app has a download feature. So, if you press download, you can read the story offline at any time or anywhere you want. You can also share the stories and mark them as favorite. Oh yes, you can also see some key vocabulary that will appear in the story later. Okay? To read the story itself, you have to press read. Okay, on the story, Bilingo app provides several features that can help you when reading stories. See here, there's a dual text feature where you can read text in your native language and a foreign language at the same time. This makes it easier for us or for you to understand the story that we are reading right now. There is also an audio feature here, so if you press this, you can listen to the story without having to read it directly.
Mia and Zoe visited Krakow for the first time. They admired the beautiful streets.
If you feel like you want to learn more about a vocabulary word, you can long press on the word that you want to know, and the definition or the translation of that word will appear. Not only that, you can add this word to the glossary. Additionally, there is a listen feature too, so you can hear the correct pronunciation of the word. There is also a read aloud feature to practice your speaking skills. You can also share the word if you want, but sadly, to read the definition of the word, you have to be premium users, so you have to pay. The listen feature is also for premium users only. Now we continue with the features. You can see that there are two icons above the story. The first icon is used to organize your text, such as a text size, audio speed, and also to turn the dual text feature on and off. This feature is adjusted to suit individual comfort, allowing you to enjoy reading more in Bilingo app. Meanwhile, the icon in the top right corner functions to display the words you have just learned and added while reading. After reading the story, you will be offered several choices. One of them is to answer a quiz about the story you read to test whether you understand the story or not. The quiz contains 3 questions, and you can choose whether the questions are in your native language or a foreign language. And of course, this is to make it easier for users to answer the questions. This feature is good to improving your reading comprehension skill. Bilingo app not only provides stories but also offers a game features, allowing users to feel entertained. Game features can be accessed by pressing the card icon. There are 3 menus here. The first is games, and the second one is flashcards, and the third one is glossary. So we will discuss about the games first. The game will open after you read 1 or more stories. In the game, you can choose from the 4 games provided. However, if you are not a premium user, the only game that you can access is vocabulary, and the rest of it are locked. Next are flashcards, which are useful for deepening the vocabulary that you get, allowing you to easily remember new words. However, this feature is available only to premium users. Meanwhile, the glossary options is a feature that allows you to access the vocabulary that you obtain. Here, you can practice your pronunciations by listening or by practicing speaking words by pressing the microphone icon. Coffee. However, the listening is not free, and the feedback given after you press the microphone icon is not very specific. And the definitions for the words are just translations without any further explanations, so they are not suitable for deeper study. If you want to see the stories that have been downloaded, your favorites, or your progress, you have to press the B icon or the profile. So as you can see, there is achievement feature. So this feature can increase your motivations, so you want to reach the goal and read every day. Meanwhile, if you want to change your language or goals, you have to press more, then choose settings. Okay everyone, maybe that's all that I can say today. Sorry if I made a mistake in this video. Thank you for watching. See you!